Hello, my name is Sarah Gordon and I'm an SEO content writing expert. I'm a pro seller on Fiverr, and over the past 3 years I've worked with countless brands to help them achieve their goals online. As a journalist and editor, I've worked with top UK newspapers, and my agency, SG Content, uses journalism techniques and SEO to help brands create engaging content that gets them seen and boosts sales. So, in this course, I'm going to draw on all my first-hand experience to provide you with everything I know about SEO copywriting and optimizing your web copy. This course is open to entrepreneurs wanting to learn what it takes to write great content that positions you online. Whether you're looking to raise brand awareness or boost your bottom line, the content is designed for both business owners and digital marketers. You don't need any technical knowledge, just a desire to position your brand online. You'll learn all about how to write for search engines and to connect with today's consumers, tips on how to research your target audience and techniques to find the best SEO keywords for your brand, as well as my journalism rules for creating copy that people really want to read. Throughout the course, I'll be providing you with real-world examples to give you a greater understanding of the topics, as well as key tips that you can use for your own website content. When you finish, you'll have an SEO copywriting blueprint that you can use to drive more traffic to your site and boost your sales. This course will provide you with the SEO and copywriting basics. It will give you the knowledge, confidence, and ability to write your brand's website content from scratch, ensuring it is optimized for search engines. With a mix of links, real-world examples, exercises and quizzes, you'll push your learning even further. I'm offering this course on Fiverr Learn because I believe in Fiverr's ability to connect us all. Fiverr brings together entrepreneurs from all walks of life and helps creative minds to connect across borders and work towards the same goals. My business has flourished on Fiverr, and I hope that with this course you'll feel exactly the same way. So what are you waiting for? Let's create great website content for your brand. Come and join me on the course right now.